He's going to share with us a story about Jerry Lewis.
Yeah.
All right, let's hold on. I got to turn it back around. There we go.
Oh, and by the way, we're going to show my Director from Space and a preview of my Gator Man movie tonight at about 2 a.m. if you're still awake. Yeah, that's all. And I'm going to talk. Anyway, yeah, I met Jerry Lewis in '95 at, I believe it was Hilton or Sheraton Hotel or the Hilton Hotel. I went in there, Jan and I, because they had a free buffet in the bar back then. You know, if you buy a drink, you get free food, like between 4 and 6 p.m. So we went in there to get that free buffet with our drinks, and all of a sudden I see Jerry Lewis outside the window talking to a guy. So I come up to him and I say, hey, is it okay if we get our picture with you, me and my girlfriend? He goes, nah. He goes, nah. So, you know, he wasn't very friendly. And so, And I went in there and I talked to the security guy. No, not security guy. I went there to the guy that was serving the drinks.
Yeah.
And I told him what Jerry Lewis said. You know, saying, nah. And he said, oh, Jerry Lewis, he's kind of a jerk. He says he was down in our cafeteria.
Yeah.
And they had those pads of butter, you know. And he was sitting in the cafeteria, and he took a bunch of them. He took his knife, and he put the pad of butter on the knife, and he flicked it like that. And the pads of butter would stick to the ceiling. Stick to the ceiling of the cafeteria. Okay, there were a bunch of them stuck in the ceiling. They're a jerk.
That's horrible. Jerry
Lewis one night. Yeah. Hey, nice lady. Hey, I'm Jerry Lewis. Hey. Yeah. And make a donation to Jerry's kids. Yeah.
Well,
then we make lots of money.
Yeah. Well, that's a story that a friend of mine told. He said when the Brown's Hotel closed in Liberty, New York, Jerry Lewis called this